All right, we've got lots to talk about tonight. It's freezing cold out there. Not literally in some places and literally in other places.
Okay.
Yeah, it's cold.
It's cold. It's cold. It's downright cold.
I mean, I was looking at the temperature when you said that because you...
Of course, it says 52 degrees, and that's not freezing, but that's here at the Broadcast Center in Studio City. We're looking at maybe even some single-digit temperatures out there in the mountains, yes, and some of our deserts getting down into the 20s. We've got frost advisories out there, so that means sub-freezing temperatures for at least a few hours at a time. And always have to remind you, again, seems like we say it every time, but you just cannot forget, bring in the pets, bring in the plants tonight. It's a very cold night out there. The good news is it's not nearly as windy, so it feels a little warmer than last night, even though it is quite cool. Sub-freezing temperatures, as we mentioned, between 2 a.m. and 8 a.m. That's when the advisory kicks in. That's when it expires. This is for the Inland Empire and Ventura County interior valleys, and we are warming up eventually. So we'll show you when coming up in just a minute. But you'll see earlier today we made it to 62 degrees. That was for downtown. Average is 69. So we were technically below average for this time of year, and record numbers 88. We didn't get anywhere too close to that. Not getting anywhere too close, but we are getting a little warmer over the next 24 hours. We're looking at 40s, 50s, and by the afternoon we're up to about 67 degrees. That's going to be for downtown. Riverside hitting 67 as well. Burbank 68, Irvine 67, and Lancaster 59 degrees. So we are looking at cold conditions still. That cold air sitting overhead keeping us chilly tonight, but we do have some high pressure building in, and with that we will see warmer temperatures as we head into the next few days. We have seen a few storms slide in. We've been talking about these inside sliders that could present some weather for us. We actually did see a downpour earlier today in Orange County, and that wasn't out of the question, but it does look to be a little drier as we head into the next few days, and a little warmer as well. You'll see that right here. We're calling it sunny generally across the board. Upper 60s for the basin in Orange County, even hitting the 70s by the time we hit next week. For the coast, we are in the 60s across the week. You'll see right here 60s turning to upper 60s actually by your Monday. So early next week, temperatures really starting to peak. For the valleys in the Inland Empire, we're flirting with the 70s. We're getting there for your Saturday, and Sunday we're in the upper 60s. So we're fluctuating a little bit, but not a whole lot. And then by Monday and Tuesday, we're in the 70s. The deserts in the 50s, eventually turning to the 60s, and looks like we have time to take you to the mountains. Looking at sunshine and temperatures generally staying in the 40s. Tonight we're getting down to 10 degrees, and we could even see temperatures fall into the single digits, 8 degrees, 9 degrees. A very cold night out there, but as we head into the next couple of days, we will see overnight lows go up to the 20s and the teens for a change, which is actually a whole lot warmer than single digits.